In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade volatility index on Deriv. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your Deriv dashboard and you want to sign into your account. And whenever you've done this, you want to select the account or of course the platform where you want to trade the volatility index. Now, this is going to be possible on 3 different platforms. So on their options trader, on the MT5 web version, and also on the MT5 desktop or mobile version. So of course, I'm going to show you how to do this for all of them. If you want to know how to trade it on the MT5 desktop, I do have a separate video teaching you on how to do this on MT5, so you can go watch that. But essentially, if you want to use the web trader, just come to the home tab, top left, and you want to click on the trade button. Then you want to go to MetaTrader 5 web terminal. Again, you could go and download it as well if you wanna. And then from here, you're going to have to sign in with your credentials, super simple. And from here, you'll be able to find your volatility index. So if you click on search symbol, you can click on the volatility indices over here. And there we go. You have like a bunch of different ones over here. You can select the one you want to trade. For example, I'm going to click on the volatility 100 index. It's going to pop up over here and you can trade it like over here. Click on the new order. And there we go. That's basically all you have to do to achieve this. Now, of course, in here, you want to paste the volume, you want to go and add stop loss and take profit if you wanna, and then you can go and buy or sell by market or any other order type. Now, that's the first way. The second one is if you want to trade options, you have the options over here, click on trade, and this is going to take you to their D trader over here, so the Deriv trader. And here you can go and basically find the volatility index as well. If you click on here, you can see there's going to be a bunch of different ones. If I type in, for example, volatility, there we go, there's a bunch of them. You can just click on whichever one you want. I'm going to click on this one. It's going to pop on the chart and you can go and basically trade it over here on the right. So those are all the ways you could do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.